racing pants. Gates open, they're up and racing. Tito Aru, Red Hat Raymond, Tarzan, Maximus, moving up by the rail. Boy Pick Up is racing in fourth. Then moving up is Mick Automatic down on the inside. Fearless Boss, Appraisal as they race towards the half pole. Tito Aru, Tarzan, Maximus moves up to grab the lead. Red Hot Raymond, then moving up now on the outside is Boy Pick Up, getting closer as they round towards the 450. Boy Pick Up takes the lead, then about to throw the challenge. Make Automatic, Tarzan, Maximus down on the inside, and into the home stretch. Make Automatic, Tarzan, Maximus is by the rail. Make Automatic leading the field over Tarzan, Maximus. Boy Pick Up is racing in third with 50 meters. It's going to be Make Automatic. Close between Fearless Boss and Tarzan, Maximus. Boy Pick Up, Appraisal.